10 days of free Python training. It's day 11, one extra day. You can see we started with introduction, fundamentals, data types, okay, control flow statements, functions, modules, and packages, object-oriented programming, exception handling, file handling, web scrapping. Okay, web scrapping, which we are going to discuss today. Whatever I promised, okay, please confirm me. Everything is delivered to you. Okay, I'm expecting answer from you. Okay, whatever we discussed, everything we completed so far as per the promise. Okay, right? Okay, and during this 10 days of Python training, we may promoted multiple courses in that community, but we never asked any amount for this training. Okay, so this, as per the saying, it's completely free. Hope you all understood. It's a truly free Python training. Yes. Yes, right? Yes. Okay. And like some of my students from paid batch, okay, just try to understand this is 11 days free Python training. Okay, so as we are discussing the project, you people are here. It's truly free Python training as I promised. Just try to understand one thing, my dear people. That is a edutech company which will teach online training courses. Okay, we handle cloud classes. Okay, so we teach. Let me write it here. We handle multiple courses. Okay, we handle DevOps. We handle Azure. We'll handle. Okay, we'll handle data science and AI. Okay, apart from this, front-end technologies, SQL, MySQL, and Python programming. Will handle multiple courses. Okay, if anyone is interested, if your friends are interested, always you can WhatsApp to this number. Definitely, we will be very affordable when you compare with other platforms. That I can say. Okay, so a friendly note. So before starting today's session, okay, so we need to promote site, right? And myself, Dharma Apana. Okay, so I'm the one who took the class for you, right? And I'm the founder of Dhaapps. And Dhaapps is nothing but from Dharma, it's DHA. From Apana, it is APP. And it's mine, so it is Dhaapps. So it's totally Dharma Apanas. Okay, it's a 1% company. Okay, I'm the only director. It's completely Dharma Apanas. And whatever my ideas, that will be reflected. So we'll promote, we'll do mass promotions, we'll get the students, we'll satisfy them. Okay, so once we launch multiple courses, if they like it our free courses, they'll pay. So that is our business strategy. Simple. Okay, so now currently you just try to understand. You learned Python. You learned Python. Okay, Python is a programming language. Okay, Python is a programming language. Like Python, what are the main uses of Python? If I started with this, it's a general purpose programming language. Okay, you can learn Python, you can use Python in various applications. You can develop games, you can use for testing, automation. Okay, right? You have multiple ways. And majorly, people usually will move into two different types. Once you learn Python, people move into web development. It is nothing but full stack web development. Okay. Other choice using Python is data science and AI. Okay. So data science and AI, why I'm just telling you, because like people confuse. So I'm mentioning data science and AI I'm mentioning. When it comes to full stack web development, I hope everyone is aware of, if you consider website, it contains mainly three types, three things. One is database, other one is user interface, other one is business logic. Okay, which we call usually front end and back end. For UI, you have HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, and other JavaScript libraries like Angular, React. UI you have. And for business logic, you have Java, you have Python, you have .NET, you have PHP. Database, you have multiple database, MySQL, SQL Server, Oracle. Okay, you have multiple databases you have. Okay, so currently we are starting front-end technologies class, which contains HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, which is of 5 weeks duration. Okay, and the fee for it is 1,999. Okay, okay. Like if you are watching this video after 1 year, something like that, maybe whatever the date I say today, that will not be valid. So that is the reason it will be 5 weeks every time. Fee will be 1,999 every time. So if anyone is interested, if you're watching the session after 10 years also, you can WhatsApp to this number so that on that particular day you can register. And as I told you, database, okay, we are starting MySQL classes, we are starting. This is also 4 to 5 weeks. Okay. If you are interested, you can join. Fee for this program will be 1,999. And again, if you are interested, you can WhatsApp to this number. You can WhatsApp to this number. Okay. Next, whatever the web development you are doing with Python, you have to learn some frameworks, like you have to learn some Django or Django. Okay, or you have to learn Flask, Fast API, Web2Py. These are all the frameworks which you can implement using Python. Okay, right. So that batch will also start soon. That batch name will be Full Stack Web Development with Python. Okay, you can get the notification. So whenever we confirm that batch, you can also join. Okay, after learning Python. Next, this is what I told you, full stack web development. Apart from this, data science or AI or generative AI or data analytics, whatever you take, you can implement everything using Python. Python is the programming language which is currently trending because of all these things. Okay. If you are not aware what is the difference between data science or what is the difference between AI, I'll explain in very few minutes. Okay. Just listen. When it comes to artificial intelligence, it's a broader term. Artificial intelligence which is something which will replicate human. Whatever human can do, if the same thing, if it is done by the machine, that is what artificial intelligence. So artificial intelligence is a kind of a universe. Okay. In it, we have we have machine learning. Okay. So machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence. Okay. And advanced machine learning, we call it as deep learning. Okay. Right. So now, like people are talking about generative AI, LLMs, generative AI will comes under here. It's more advanced than deep learning. I'm just making you things understand in easier way. I'm giving it in this form. Okay. Just to give you some idea. But generative AI will start here. Now, you also have something called computer vision. You also have something called NLP, which we can implement using this all. Like we can implement using deep learning, generative AI will be implemented, right? I hope you're all aware of these terms. I'm just introducing these terms. And apart from this, if you consider data science, apart from this, data science will have stats, data science will have some mathematics, data science will have some probability, data science will have, okay, some exploratory data analysis. Okay, it's all I can say, it's all comes under one tree. Okay, currently, if you are interested, okay, to have a career, okay, if you learn Python, best choice for you after learning Python, I suggest, I suggest is current ongoing generative AI, okay, data science. You have to implement after learning Python, you have to implement this. But what will be the roadmap for this? What is the roadmap for data science? How to learn it? I'll explain you. I'll explain. So once you learn Python, whatever the Python you learned, that is enough to have a kickstart. After this, you have to learn the libraries you have to learn. The libraries like you go for NumPy, you go for Pandas, Matplotlib, Seaborn. All these are libraries which you need to start. Okay, you have to focus on this. Using these libraries, you have to work on exploratory data analysis, which contains data visualization also. And here only you need to focus on statistics. You need to focus on probability. You need to focus on math, some mathematics like, okay, like a kind of an algebra you can understand in this way. Some mathematics you need to learn. Okay, so you need to understand that kind of an you need to understand that algebra. Okay, once you're aware of all these things, you can start focusing on learning machine learning algorithms. After this, Machine learning, it contains supervised, unsupervised. I'm not getting into the deep. I'm giving you the outline. After that, you can learn deep learning. Using deep learning, you can implement computer vision and NLP. Once you are aware of this, after this, you can enter into this generative AI. Okay, so this should be the roadmap of learning. And once you learn these concepts, you have to aware how to deploy them, and you have to get into that production, and you have to learn how to operate them also. Operations also you have to be aware. Okay, so this is what a roadmap for it. You can take it as a data scientist or AI engineer. This must be the roadmap. This way, step by step, you have to go. And I don't say this is possible within 1 month or 2 months. Okay, you have to spend some time. I says usually you need to spend time on 6 months. You need to spend at least. You need to spend at least 6 months of your time. You need to spend. Okay, right. So many people, they're asking me, sir, I learned some Python. Like I started learning from your free course. I started learning Python. But how to implement this? What I need to do? Okay, so that is many of these people question. Okay, so that is the reason I just given you this roadmap. Like definitely you can go this. Okay, once you spend 6 months of time into this, okay, you can get the chance as a to work. If you're a fresher, initially you may get the chance as a data analyst. After that, you can have the career in machine learning engineer. Okay, so like different levels, entry level machine learning engineer. You have plenty of opportunities you have. An ultimate goal will be the data scientist. Okay, you have plenty of roles you have, guys, but you have to spend at least 6 months of the time you have to spend. Okay, so as you all know, currently this generative AI and data science is trending. So we are naming a course full stack data science and generative AI. Okay, which is of 6 months, which is of 6 months. The whatever the roadmap I given to you. Okay, so entire roadmap I am going to handle. So complete everything from the scratch. As I name it full stack. Okay, so whatever the models we are creating, those models will convert into a kind of a web page. Okay, we'll be hosting them. Okay, I'll also tell you how to host it, how to operate everything. I'm going to discuss. Since 2017, I'm into data science. Okay, so like I have like kind of an experience which will make you understand the concepts. Okay, so don't worry. I'm going to handle this batch. I will be handling everything in detail. Every algorithm I'm going to explain in such a way you understand it very well. No problem at all. I'm going to handle this batch. Okay, so which is of 6 months duration. Right, everyone? Okay, so now you got some idea what exactly you need to do. Okay, and who can join this? Who can join? Many people have this doubt. Who can join? Okay, who want to who want to stand out? Okay, who want to stand out in the IT industry? Who is going to, like, if you're a student, like if 100 people are there, if you want to stand out, you have to learn this. Okay, if 1,000 people are applying for the job, if you want to stand out from the 1,000 people, you have to learn this. Any aspirant, any data science aspirant, okay, anyone who are looking to get a job, anyone who are looking to upgrade from your career, if you are a student, anyone who want to explore the world, latest tech world, everyone can join. And this course will comes with lifetime updates. Lifetime update in the sense, for example, if we join this on March, for example, okay, like next year March, 2025 March, also you can get the access. Is it clear? You can get the access for the like after 2030, if you come 2030 March also, you get the access. You get the access for the live classes, not just recording. I'm not saying recordings, you get it for lifetime access. Okay, until I live on this world, okay, you people are going to be my students. Okay, that is what I can say. Right? Right, everyone. We have this 6 months course we have, which we are planning, which will help you to upgrade your career from where you are. Everyone, you're getting it, right? So I hope you people are getting something, right? Are you all excited, guys? Right? I'll take 3 more minutes, I'll take. After that, we'll get into this. Everyone, if you are interested, just please confirm in the chat box. I'm excited. Just for let's first of all, let's say how many people are interested. We'll discuss about the pricing and all later. Okay. I just want to know how many people are interested, how many people are excited for this. Okay. So now, my dear people, if you're asking, if you're asking for the price, now just try to understand. You have unique facilities here. I'm telling you, until you until we exist, I'm giving you lifetime updates. Okay, like you can join anytime. You can join until you settle in your career. Okay, you can join. There is no limit. Okay, so there will be one dedicated community will be given to you. You have to be in that community, and there will be no end. And why I'm telling you why? Because there is many concepts which I need to focus. Like for example, okay, if last week if there is a new concept, okay, I need to learn this, I need to teach you. After 5 months, there will be again a new concept, new algorithm will come. There will be no end for this. That is what I'm telling you. Okay, so we'll be creating one dedicated community will create. Okay, whatever the traditional content is there, that traditional content will finish it in 6 months. Okay, then officially this batch will be over, but this batch will not over. Will never ends. Okay, why? Because for the next batch, I'll upgrade the content. Okay, so people will join in that community. Okay, you can be in that community, you can continue. Okay, you can learn it. So there will be no end. Like for this kind of a training, you go for any other institute or anywhere you go. Okay, fee will be in lakhs. Okay, it will be in lakhs. You go anywhere you go, any company you go, anywhere you go. Okay, anywhere you go. in that, for this batch, that's fee for this batch for the 6 months training and internship. You're going to get 6 months training and internship, which you get that experience as if we are working in a real time IT. Okay, you get that kind of an experience will be given. Okay, you get that knowledge, you get it. So definitely this knowledge will be useful for you. Okay, so now what is your guesses, guys? Can you guess? Can you guess anything about the fees? How much we need to give? How much? How much it will be worthy? 6 months. 6 months of training. How much it will be worthy? People are charging lakhs. Okay, 60K, 70K, 10K, 20K, 15. Okay, 50K. Okay, some people 15, 20, 50, majority of the people. Okay, let me don't waste this time. Now, for the 6 months of training with lifetime upgrade, okay, and until you settle the placement assistance, whatever the assistance we call, okay, and I'm not saying that you get the job if you join this, but I will be assisting you until you get the job. There is a difference. Now, many people they are saying, I will give you job if you join this course, which is completely false. No one will guarantee your job, guys. It's only you. You have to take care for your job, but I will train you in such a way you get a job. Okay, for example, if you join this full stack data science and AI, I'll give you access for DevOps batch. I'll give you access for cloud batch. I'll give you access for MySQL batch. Okay, which is database. I'll give you access for front end batch. Like I want you to become a knowledge machine. Okay, everything will be included. Every whatever the technology you're learning, that will be interlinked, right? When it's a platform, when you want to operate something, you'll take operation from here. Okay, cloud, you want to host, you want to store database, you want to show the interface, that will be UI, right? So we decided fee for this program is 30,000. Okay, plus 18% GST, which will straight away will go to the government. This is the fees we decided. If anyone is interested to join for this, okay, you can WhatsApp to this number. You can WhatsApp to this number, right? And I know people, few people, they feel it difficult, this 30,000. Okay, but this is the best we can give. Why? Because I'm telling you directly, you can get access for any batch. Okay, you know the course fees of DevOps, for example, it's 20,000. You know the course fees of Azure. So before it is 10,000, we are giving now it for 5,000. Okay, I'm telling you, you can access anything. So that's the reason we decided 30,000 plus 80% GST. If you are interested, you can join this, you can WhatsApp this, and you can continue. Is it clear? So this is like when we put any fees, when we put anything, we will take care of many people, guys. We'll have many things in the mind. Okay, so after discussing with many people, like with different faculties, by referring many platforms, and we just concluded this fees as 30,000 plus 18% GST. If anyone is interested, you can happily, you can register into this. Okay, so we'll be meeting every day. We'll be meeting one, like the timings will be flexible. Okay, weekends we have special sessions. Okay, sometimes we'll meet in the morning. Like you are going to attend multiple things. You're going to attend SQL, you're going to attend. Okay, you're going to attend Azure Cloud, you're going to attend. Why? Because we'll host our applications. I will make you as a like knowledge machine. So the usually class timings will be 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. Recording will be given, and if it is a morning batch, it can be 6 a.m. to 9 a.m. These are all the two timings. Okay, you have to prepare any 3 hours. Every day, at least you need to spend 3 hours. In 24 hours, for the next 6 months, you have to spend 3 hours. Okay, then only it is possible to master this. Is it clear, everyone? And I'm telling you, if anyone is interested to spend 6 months of time with me, 6 months of dedication, not just fees, 6 months of dedication. Okay, and if you decided to stand out from the world with latest trending knowledge, you're eligible. That is only eligible category. Don't ask me, I came from non-IT, I came from mechanical. Whatever your background is, it's my responsibility to teach you. Okay, the thing is, you have to be dedicated. Every day, 3 hours, you have to spend some time. Okay, is it clear, everyone? And all the skills, what I mentioned, you're going to get it. And one more time, if you are interested, you can WhatsApp to this number. Okay, you can WhatsApp to this number. 6 months, 6 months, fees is 30,000 plus 18% GST. Is it clear? Right? Clear, everyone? So this is what we are offering, right? And if you are interested, you can WhatsApp to this number. We'll discuss about the payment, like how the payment should be, everything. We'll discuss. And before that, I'll take your profile, what exactly you're doing. Okay. We'll have a discussion. After that, one-to-one discussion I'll take. After that, I'll enroll you. Okay. Right. So I'll discuss with you what exactly you can text to this number. So you can book the appointment so that I can connect to you. Okay, we'll have a call. After that, okay, if you're okay, then we can just proceed. That is how you can enter into this batch. Irrespective of background, you can enter. Is it clear, everyone? Okay. So this is what many people you texted me. What next? This is what I have for you. Right? It comes with 6 months internship, guys. 6 months training from the day one onwards. It will be count as internship. Why? Because on the day one you have a task. Every day you have a task. We will monitor that you complete the task. 6 months. It's not just training. It's a internship. Okay, and fee is very less. If you are interested, you can WhatsApp to this number. 30,000 and 18% GST, which we need to pay for the government as we are working online. Okay, fine, everyone. Okay, right? Let's continue. Like last session, I started web scrapping. I started. Okay, and I told you so far we implemented Python in normal whatever the ID we got it from the Python software, we used that. But I told you, as we want to implement, like as we're all data science aspirants, I told you Jupyter Notebook will be very good. Okay. Okay. And we started installing Anaconda, which is a playground for all data science aspirants. Right? I hope many of you people, you already installed it and you're ready for it, right? You're ready for it. Okay, hope you all install Python software and Anaconda software. Hope you are ready with Anaconda. Okay, so we will implement web scraping. Whatever the web scraping, I'm giving it to you. Okay, the same, you have to take web scraping. You have to take different page you need to take. You have to scrap it. Okay, so now let's see what is exactly web scraping. What is exactly web scraping? Okay, we'll see. We'll see. And I already given you the kind of an idea already. What is exactly web scraping? I given you some idea. I already given you. Okay. So kindly just if you did not watch yesterday's session, I hope you already watched. If not, kindly watch it. Kindly install it. After that, you just continue. Okay. So Anaconda Navigator, I'm opening. Anaconda Navigator. That will be available in your system also. Anaconda Navigator. Right? Okay. So it will take some time. Just open the Anaconda Navigator. Just open Anaconda Navigator. And automatically, so multiple applications will open. In that, you have to open Jupyter Notebook. You have to open. Okay. I hope you're all like, if possible, just do along with me, guys. Just do along with me. It will be good. And today, like web scraping, what we are implementing, like in 2020. Okay, I just I'm preparing this content like in 2020. So randomly I got a YouTube video about web scraping. In 2020, I seen about that web scraping. Like whatever the same web scraping, same product we have. Okay, in 2020, we'll scrap the same product. We'll scrap. We'll scrap the data from the same product. Okay, but you have to scrap the latest product. Okay, so that is what the trick here. Okay, so I'll take one link, I'll scrap the data from that link. But today, I'll give you one product. From that product, you have to scrap it and you have to implement the similar way, whatever I implemented. And you have to send your implementation. Okay, and you have to get your course completion certificate. Right, everyone? So course completion certificate will be given for the people who are going to implement web scraping. So whatever the web scraping I'm implementing, I'll give you one product. I'll give you one page link. You have to scrap the data from that page and you have to send it to me within 24 hours. Okay. Right. Let's see. I hope it's open. It's still opening, guys. Just wait for some time, it will open. And if possible, just kindly, you can also open from your system. So if anyone not yet installed, just install immediately. Okay, fine. See, my main intention is to show you different applications. Okay, just open this Jupyter notebook. Just open this Jupyter notebook. Now here we're selecting a new Python file. Okay, this is our new Python file. You can see we're able to execute it. Okay, I'm just naming it as web scrapping. Okay, so now you can see, guys, like we have to import. Like I told you, what are the things we needed, guys? Yesterday already we installed. We already installed. What are the different libraries we installed for this? Yesterday in the class we already installed. One is Beautiful Soup. One is Beautiful Soup. Other one is Request. These two libraries we install, right? We will open them. We'll open them. Okay. Like what we need to do first, whatever the installation completed, we have to import them. We have to import them. So how to implement, how to import them? Like where that Beautiful Soup is available. Beautiful Soup is available in the form of BS4, right? Okay. So what I need to do? From BS4, I need to import. The spelling, you have to be very careful, guys. If you don't follow this correctly, it will give you an error. And I'm giving some shortcut name BS. I'm importing. Okay. After that, I'm importing request. Okay. Right. Now it's time to select the link. As I told you, the link I told you right already. I'll go with the old link. And as a task, I'll give you other link. Let's take link from here and we'll try to scrap the data from there. And you can try with any link, guys. Any link. Right. So this is the link. 1 plus 60. I think still that video is available in YouTube, I think. The same product. Okay. So like the same product. You can go for any link. This is the link. This is the link which I want to scrap the data. Okay, you can go for any link and I'll say you the product. You have to scrap the data from that product. Okay, we got that link. This is the link from here. I want to scrap name and I want to scrap review. Okay, name and review I want to scrap. So that is what after that I need to give it into an Excel form. Okay. So that is our task. So that name and review should be entered into one Excel form. It should. Okay. So that is what we need to do. That is our task. Okay. So we imported all the required modules we imported. So now, my dear people, let's close this. We'll write it everything from the scratch. So we given that link. Okay. So after this, what we need to say, what we need to do, we need to send request to this web page. You need to send request to this web page. Okay. From this web page, I need to send the request. Using request dot in that I want to send the request, I need to get the information from this link. Okay. I'm sending the request. This I'll be storing it in the form of a variable page. Right? I'm executing. Let me print link is not defined, which means we did not execute the before cell, we did not execute it. Okay, this is capital. Okay, let's print page. So now, my dear people, every one of you who are doing this, you have to get response, you have to get 200, you have to get the response. Okay, if you get response 200, then only your website is ready to scrap. Okay, just give me 1 minute, guys. Okay, you should get response is equal to 200, you should get. Okay, then only it's ready to scrap. Sometimes you get 5 or 3, just wait for some time. After that, you get automatically 200, then you can practice. Okay, it's clear. Now, like now you have this 200. 200, it's ready. So now whatever the content I have in this page, okay, I need to scrap. Page.content. Is it clear? Is it clear, everyone? So this is, I'm just doing with this, right? If you pick any other website, like any other product in that website also, you get the same thing, guys. Okay. Is it clear? You can pick any product, you can pick. That is the reason. Like we get different products, we get it, right? Okay. So that's the reason I just want to go with the whatever the link is available in that, I'm just going with that. nothing, no other reason, guys. You can pick anything. But I'm confused with what product I need to go. So anyway, I have a link already in the previous example. I just put that, I took that link. Okay, is it clear? You can pick any product you want. Any product you want, you can go. It's up to you. Right? Now, you see that content. If you see this content, you're not understanding anything. It's not correct format, right? You can see it's not in a readable format. So you're able to understand, like there is some content, some code, but it's not in a correct format which we can understand. So now what we need to do? Okay. So whatever the content I have, I want to make sure that content will look in a better way. Okay. So I want to make it in a proper format. I need to make. Okay, if you inspect anything like what, like you get different kind of a code, right? It is looking like that. Now you can see, now using this beautiful soup, I have to make it in a proper format. Okay, page dot content. I'm giving it as HTML. Okay, HTML.parser is something which will make our page to look in a better way. I'm just giving it a soup variable I'm giving. Let me print that soup variable. You can see now it is in better form. You're able to understand something. Okay, it's in better format. So now, like you got the page, right? You got this page. Right? You can see like some, I think you people also tried this. Sometimes you'll do this, right? View source, and you have something called inspect. Okay. So you like anytime any web page you can see, you get all these things, right? Right? Okay. Inspect, right click, inspect. You get this kind of a windows, right? So until this, everything is okay, guys. Everyone, please confirm me. You're all in the track. Everyone, you have to do along with me, guys. Don't worry. You have to do along with me. Everyone, so far it's okay. We did the website. We selected a web page. We selected. Okay, and we just inspect. That's it. We did not do anything. If still a confusing, you have to watch the recording. You have to watch the recording. You can select the link in the Amazon website, guys. You can get n number of products. I am very like I did not choose in the product. I took it from the like previous whatever the implementation I did. From there I took the link. You can open the Amazon. You can select whatever the product you want. You can select. Okay, it's clear, right? Okay. Now after this, I got this. Now what I need to do is first we'll go with the names, guys. I want to scrap names from there. Names from that website I need to scrap. Okay. So here you need to be aware of little bit HTML. HTML tags. Okay. Okay. Like HTML, you all know. So whatever you're seeing, that UI is designed in HTML. It contains multiple tags. Okay. If you want to know like multiple tags and all, like you have like you can open that W3 schools. So there you can see multiple tags. Okay, W3 schools you can open immediately and you can see multiple tags there. Okay, you have multiple tags. That tags knowledge is needed, but you can understand. Don't worry. But after this, when you're implementing for the first time, just know about the HTML tags. Okay. Now I want to scrap names. I want to scrap names. I want to scrap. So for example, this is a name. This is a name. Name, you can see for name, it is span tag and a profile name. Class is equal to a profile name. Class is equal to a profile name. Now you can go for any other name. I want to scrap all the names. Now here you can see. Here also span tag a profile name. We'll go for any other name. So here also you have span tag a profile name you have. So now what we need to do is we need to write a code in such a way which will find all the span tag and class is equal to a profile name. Okay, a profile name it will take. Why? Because every way class is equal to span tag and tag is equal to span tag and class is equal to a profile name. So in this page, whoever is having span tag and class is equal to a profile name, I want to scrap the data of them. Okay, then I'll get it. You can see every name is a span tag, a profile name. Sometimes you get it easy way. Sometimes you need to check, you need to spend some time. But here it is showing very clearly. It's a span tag, class is equal to a profile name. Is it clear, everyone? Okay, right? Now, let's see what I need to do. I need to find all where span tag class is equal to a profile name. Okay, so I'm giving a variable names. So this find all is available in beautiful soup. Oh, no, not so. From that soup, like what we given the variable, right? From that soup, I need to find all. It's a built-in function. Okay, and what is the tag? Span tag. And I need to give the class that's given in the form of class underscore. And what is the class name? A profile name. A profile name. If you want it, you can copy and paste it there. A profile name. Okay. Right? Let me execute it once. Now, okay, just a span, just here. Span tag, right? Okay, names is not defined. Just a minute. See, guys, we are doing a implementation. We'll get the errors. Kindly don't laugh or don't misunderstand. Okay, we'll get the errors. Why? Because we are executing live, right? Okay, like if an I write, I'll get the errors. Okay. Now let me print this variable names. You can see. I can see names are like what are the names available in that website. Okay, I can see the names. So far it's okay. Everyone. Yes. Like in this website, I have names. Somehow I scraped the data and I'm able to get the names associated in that web page. Yes. Interesting, guys. Is it interesting? Web scraping is one skill, one important skill. I got the names associated from that web page. Okay. Like if you observe here, whatever the names we given there, they are not just names. What we have tags also we have. I want only names I have. I want only names I want. I want only names I want. I don't need tags. Okay. So how to get only names without tags? What we need to do? What we need to do? That is the question. I want only names. I don't need tags. For this, you have a method. Okay, you have a default. Again, the default method or default. Okay, method or function. You have something called get text. Okay, which will get only text from this, and it's in the form of list, guys. It's in the form of list. For example, I'll execute. So what is this list name? Names. I'll give the index. Names of something like, for example, names of 0th index. I want to only get text from there. I want only get text. Okay, let me execute it. You can see. You can see you got text only, you got. Automatically the tag got removed. So, but every time you cannot do it like this, and you have list of elements you have. So now what we do is we have to write some logic here. What I will do is I will take one empty list. I'll take one empty list. See, I just name it as customer names. I'll say it as customer names. I'm taking this empty list. I'll take. Like for this empty list, what I want is I'll write the for loop in such a way. Okay, it will work depends on this length of these names. Like based on length of names will give you total number of elements in that, right? So I'll write the for loop which will work for this range of length of names. Okay, so that like depends on the number of elements it will work. Okay. So now like names of I given this index, but I don't give this index now. I'll give instead of I'll give. So it will take every index, it will take from 0 to end. Okay, names of file. So now whatever you're getting, whatever you're getting, this Ayush Patil you are getting, right? This Ayush Patil has to add at the list. Okay, how to add it? I don't know whether you remember or not. Okay, we have something called append function we have. So customer names, this is the empty list we have. Customer names is empty list. So in that customer names empty list, we need to append whatever we are getting from here, from the text. So I will take all the range of elements from 0 to 10, then automatically you get the list of names. So here like some indentation. Why? Because we did not write it from the starting, right? Okay. So now let's try to print this customer names. Let's try to print. You can see the list of names you got it without tags. You got list of names you got it. Okay. Now you just try to understand. One thing. In this list, if you observe this list, like this contains duplicates, right? I need to remove the duplicates. Duplicates in the sense like I need to remove the elements which occur twice. I need to remove them. To remove them, what I need to do? Which function I need to use to remove the elements? Which function I need to do? Which function? We already discussed in list. Which function we need to use? I need answers from everyone. Whoever is attending the session in the YouTube channel, you also kindly interact. And comment. Okay. What is that? It's a pop function. Okay, pop function you can use. Right? Right? Everyone so far it's okay. So far it's okay. Right? Pop function. Okay, so many people they said pop. Let's see. Okay. See pop function, how it is going to work? You have to give the index. You can use pop function, only pop function, is it possible? You have only pop function or any other function you have? If it is pop function, like you have to give the index, right? Okay, you need to remember the index. For example, I want to remove the first index. I'll say customer names. Like from there, I need to pop like Ayush Patel, you can see. Okay, 1, 2 times. We need to remove once. 0, 0th index we need to remove. Like it occurred for 3 times, you need to remove 2 times. Right? Ayush Patel got removed. Right? Now, like Kansa Faruqi will be 0th place. This will be first. Right? So now you can remove the first also. Right? Okay. This got removed. This will be 0. This got removed. This will be 1. This will be 2. This will be 3. Okay. Third index also you need to remove. You can see you got removed. Right? 0, 1. We removed it, right? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Chandan Chowdhury. We need to remove that also. And if possible, you can also copy this. If you're confused with index, names, you can just remove, but you have to give the correct name properly. Okay, it will remove. Right? Now let's try to print it once. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. This Abhishek I need to remove. Divya I need to remove. Right? Abhishek and Divya. Better just copy and paste it. and I just want to review Divya. Okay, so if I don't copy this, we'll be getting this kind of an errors. Okay. Right? Now if you observe, we got customer names, perfect customer names, we got. Right? You can see nothing is repeated. Okay, we got customer names. Right? So now what we need to do after getting the customer names, we have to get the customer reviews also. We need to get it right. We need to get the customer reviews. Okay, so everyone happy so far? Like Dinsha, like the problem is it will not have the same order, right? So that is the reason. You can do that. Okay, but order is also important. Okay, if order is also important, then it is. Okay, clear? Right? Okay, fine. See, if you feel order is not important for me, I can get it anything. I have no other option. You simply can convert that list into set. Okay, other option. Now we got names. We got. Okay. Now we need to scrap the reviews. Now let's see, guys. Reviews. You can see here. Now you can see reviews. Now you can go for these reviews. You can check here. It's span tag. Here class is not mentioned. Like you have to work some time, guys. You have to, like sometimes you don't get the tags easily. Okay. Now you can see here. You have one more option called data hook. You can also use data hook. But here I am able to see this class. Okay, I got this class name. But this class name is little big. You have to copy it properly. Okay, we got that class name. Okay, so now previously, whatever the code we written, we need to use the same thing, right? Like you can see, find all span, here the class name will change. Okay, let's copy here. Oh, I'm trying to copy this. I'll paste it somewhere. Okay, I got this class name. Now we'll name this as customer reviews, right? We'll first initially we'll name it as reviews only. Reviews. Now the same code, whatever we written, find all. We need to find all. Okay. We'll copy and paste it. Okay, class, you just find all. Okay. So here, what is the tag? Span tag. You got that class. You have to close it. Right? Let's try to print it. Reviews. So here also same thing. Here also same thing. What I got? Here also I have Here also have tags. I want to remove the tags. So whatever we did here, we took a empty list. Okay, same way I'm doing this. Customer reviews. I'm giving it like we already know reviews. Okay, customer reviews. If you attended my list class, easily you can understand all these things. Indexing, slicing, all these things we already discussed. The same concept we are implementing. Okay, now let's try to print this reviews. You can see, I got the reviews. I got the reviews. I got. Right? So in my reviews, if you observe, the slash n is there. Okay, so everything is okay. I got the reviews. But one thing here is I have this slash n. I want to remove the slash n. Slash n is nothing but it's a kind of okay. It's a kind of a special symbol, for example. Okay, something we need to remove. Like if you remember, guys, like how, like what function we used in a particular string. If I want to remove a special symbol, what function we remove? What function we used? Did you remember? What function we used? What function we used, guys? From the string? Yes. Yes. Aftaf alam shake. Strip function. Strip in the string I am telling. Strip function. Now I can use string. I can use strip function. I can remove this. I can remove this. Okay. Right? I can use strip function. I need to remove this. After removing, I need to keep it in the same list I need to keep. So here we need to use list comprehension we can use. List comprehension is nothing but it's a better way of writing that list. Customer reviews. I'm giving the same variable again. So like now the reviews are in this customer reviews, right? You can give the different name also, guys. Maybe you confuse. Let's take it customer reviews, and before that, it's custom reviews. It's there in both, like from both ends. It has customer reviews. I want to strip. I want to remove it. Okay. Now, if you observe, I need to take this customer reviews. I need to strip, but you cannot give it like this. Okay. This, let's keep it aside. We'll write the code in this form. For I in customer reviews. For I in customer reviews means I will take every element in this, every element of customer reviews. From I, you can remove it. Okay. Now you got, see, you got reviews, all the reviews you got. All the reviews you got. Okay. In between, you cannot do anything. Length of customer reviews, let's check. Why? Because we cannot check it, right? It's 10 only. It means no duplicates here. And you can also check length of custom names. Okay. Length of customer names is 11. Okay. Now let's check it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Anything is repeating, guys, here? Nothing is repeating, right? Any name is repeating? Okay. Right. So now I just want to give the table, right? So both length is not same. Both length is not same. Right? So now my goal is I just want to take it into this Excel form. Right? So better what we need to do is like it's my perspective. Okay. So whatever the reviews you have, you cannot go and search each and every review. Right? You can add one review and you can delete one name so that both will be equal. Okay, if any name is repeating, I am not able to find it here. Aish Kansa, not repeating. Aish Karthik, Arun, Vijay, Chandan, Rahul, Abhishek. It's nothing repeating, right? Okay, fine. I want it in a table format. If I don't remove the problem, I'll tell you what will be the problem. Let's see. Now I want to convert into one table, guys. So table tabular format, which is nothing but I want to convert into data frame. Okay, what is data frame? Everything you get it like in the when we are learning libraries. When I teach Python, when I teach pandas numpy, you get it at that. So okay, let me import pandas here. Import pandas. I'm giving some shortcut name pandas. It's a library. Okay, very good library. Like all the manipulations we can do using this pandas library. So data frame is available in pandas. So data frame, I'm just giving it as pd dot, I'm creating a data frame, I'm creating whatever we have, I'm creating a data frame. After that, I'm writing data frame I'm creating. Okay. So now what I will do is I will assign some names. I'll say name. So our list is what? Customer names, right? Names. Reviews. And we given here customer reviews. Right? Right, everyone? Let me execute it. Okay. Now check it. Got it? It's saying length is not matching. So what we need to do? Customer names. Custom names. Okay. It got removed. Okay. Now you can see error got solved. Now let me print it. You can see, guys, we got names, we got, and we got reviews also we got. names, we got reviews. And this I'll convert into CSV format. This is what I expected. And finally, I am able to scrap my names of the customer and reviews from a website. Is it clear, everyone? Please confirm me. Are you able to understand? Okay, interesting, guys. You're scrapping data from a website. So you can ask me, so what is the use of it? You can perform some analysis. Okay, you can do. Okay, happy everyone. Web scraping is definitely very important skill. So little bit of HTML tags you can see, right? You want to convert them into CSV format. So if you want to convert them into CSV format, you have df to CSV, and you need to give the path. Okay, and here I'm creating a folder. I'll say project output. I'll say you path whatever the path you have. This path, you have to give this path. Okay. Now automatically this data frame will convert into CSV format. You can see in output.csv file, you got it there. Okay. You can see. Got it. Everyone. Right? And don't expect like the data like complete 100% accurate. Like you don't like sometimes data will be missing. Okay, so that comment he can review as one dot, he can give the review. So it can be anything. Okay, so this is what the output I expected. Right? Everyone, still many people are there in the live. I'm very happy for it. So this is what I want you to implement. I want you to implement. This is what I want you to implement. Okay. Right, everyone. So now, just tell me one product. Okay. So we did it for 1 plus 60, right? We did it for 1 plus 60, right? Okay. So now let's go for which mobile phone will do? Like if I give you one device, if I give you one link, if I give you at least, you people will come with the proper output. Okay. Right? Let me share a link with you so that you people will scrap it from that link, or else different people will scrap different data. Okay, let's go with 1 plus 12. Okay, fine. This is the web page. Okay, I want names. I want reviews. Reviews. Where are the reviews? Like reviews, I hope you get it in the these are all the reviews, right? I want you to scrap data for this link. Okay, this is what I want. You can see the same way. Nothing different. You can see for the name. Here, say the tags. Oh my God. Same tag name. Okay. Right. Got it? Right, everyone? So this is the link for you. This is the link. This is the link. I'll share it in the group. Don't worry. This is the link. I'll share it in the WhatsApp groups. You can do that. And at the same time, I'll share this link in that video description also. You can comment. And then remember, like today time, like just a minute. I'll get the time. I'll show you the time. Okay. So you can see exact 24 hours I'll give you. Where is the time, guys? I am not able to find the time. Okay. In system icon. Okay. You can see it's 10:42 and you can see the date. And if you don't believe this date, let's go here. Today date, current time. I never searched this kind of thing. Okay. So now you can see. Okay, it's a live session. Exact 24 hours I'll give you time. I will share you this video. Okay, fine. By the time I uploaded this video in the YouTube, from that time to 24 hours. That's better. That's better. Why? Because few people need explanations, right? Okay. Like from the time I uploaded this session in the YouTube, from that time to, okay, let's see, to process this entire video, definitely it will take some time, guys. Okay, it's already 10:45. I don't know how much time it will take to process, to edit and all. Okay, we'll try to do that. I'll share the recording, don't worry. Okay. So I hope you are happy. I hope you are happy. Okay. You learned something. I hope you learned something during this free classes. Right? You're all happy. Right? As I told you already. And how many people are interested for this full stack data science and generative AI classes, guys? How many of you are interested? So that I just want to see how many people are interested for that. Thank you so much. Thanks for the blessings. People are giving the blessings. Okay, you compare with any platform, guys. You compare with any platform. We are giving it as very less price. Okay. Okay. Why? Because this 6 months of time I need to spend with you. Okay. So it's definitely, it will be worthy, guys. Okay. And at the starting date of the class, first 5 minutes, okay, first 5 minutes, I don't know from how many people followed me from the first onwards. I told you, I will tell about myself at the end, right? How many people remember that, guys? I don't know how many of you are attending the session from the first day onwards. That day, I said about myself, I just given my name. I said myself Dharma Apana. Okay, I'll tell about myself at the end. Okay, I think now I don't need to tell anything about myself. I hope you got to know how I am going to teach. Okay, as a trainer, if you know how I am going to teach, I think that's better. Okay, that is enough, not better. That is enough. I'm a trainer. Okay, how I am going to teach, I think that is enough. Okay, right, everyone. Okay, so I don't want to waste any time there, like so on so. Okay, okay, fine, everyone. Fine, everyone. I hope you're all very happy. And I request you kindly put some comments in that YouTube video. Okay, so that people will understand. Right? People are asking about EMIs. We'll discuss that. We'll discuss that. So before that, if you are interested for 6 months generative AI and data science, okay, you can WhatsApp to this number. Okay, and remember, fees we are charging 30,000 plus 18% GST. This is the least I can offer, and the timings will be, you can spend timing 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. and you can also spend 6 a.m. to 9 a.m. Okay, if you miss the class, you can get the recording. You can complete that recording, and my classes will not be bored, guys. I promise. Though you are watching the recording, you don't feel that bored. Though you are watching the recording or live, you don't feel it like an online class. Okay, you feel it like I'm in front of you. So that's the gift I got it from the God. So people says, you people, sir, you make it things clear and you make it more interactive. So I got this gift from the God. Thanks for it. Okay. So if anyone is interested, you can WhatsApp to this number. Okay. If not, very happy. Thanks for attending. Thanks for the chance you are giving to me to teach you. Okay, so you're listening, right? You're listening. Okay, you're using your internet. So definitely you're paying some fees. But you're not paying for me, you're paying for your service providers. Okay, that is what. So right, everyone. So if you're happy, kindly, I think many of the students are available in the Instagram. Okay, you can put a story about that. Okay, and you can also tag me. That's official is companies, and dharma.apna is my okay ID, and in the LinkedIn also same dharma apna, it will be there. Okay, there you can, okay, you can interact. Okay, fine, everyone. Thank you all. Bye, take care. Kindly complete the task. Kindly complete the task to get the certificate. So only this task, whatever I shown today in the class, you have to finish it within next 24 hours. You have to finish it. Okay. You okay? Nice question. Someone asking nice question. What you need to do is, like I told you already, I'll give the, what I will do is task submission. Task submission is very important. Okay. So my dear people, I think you can open Google Colab. You can open Google Colab. Okay. So in the Google Colab, you can automatically, so how you are using this Jupyter notebook? Like you can create new notebook and you can write code here. Right. You can write the code here. For example, so all the majority of the libraries are available here. Okay, so importing in request and whatever that beautiful soup, you can import it from here. and you can write the code here also. And this you can write the code here and you can share it to, you can share it. I'll tell you, I'll share it, I'll give you a Google form. You can fill that Google form, then you can give the link. Right? Right, everyone. Thank you, Jasvika. So everyone, you can stay connect in the Instagram, you can stay connect in the WhatsApp, okay, LinkedIn. So we can connect. And if you join in the generative AI, full stack data science and generative AI, I'm very happy. Okay. So right, guys, bye, take care. We'll meet again soon in full stack data science and AI course. Right? So try to complete the task. Fine. Like Ramya, today, whatever the task I given, if you submit the task, that is enough. Whatever the previous task I given, just ignore it. Today's task, if you submit, I'll give you this certificate. Okay. Thank you all. Bye. Take care. Good night.